Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to track crypto prices with CoinMarketCap. So for this, go to Google and search for CoinMarketCap. Press enter so you will get the link. Click on the first link here. So as I clicked on this link, you will be directed to another interface like this. Now here you don't need to log in or sign up. There you will find all the cryptocurrency prices like the trending coins and the market cap. Now here if I scroll down, so there you will find all the cryptocurrencies here with their ranking. So you will find as the Bitcoin is on the top, so we have the Bitcoin on the first rank, then we have all the coins according to their ranking. Also if I scroll left, so there you will find all the graphs for the cryptocurrencies. So in this way you can track crypto prices with CoinMarketCap. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.